Welcome to Fundamentals of Study Design and Scholarship Development, a program sponsored by the Toxicon Consortium in Chicago, Illinois. This is the introductory seminar where the program aims, format, and overall plan are described. If we knew what we were doing, it wouldn't be research. Albert Einstein's brilliant quote is a fitting launch to our scholarship program. During the course of these seminars, Einstein's modest wisdom will serve to inspire us. Each day something new is discovered in the world. Sometimes discoveries are accidental, but more often than not they are the result of deliberate and purposeful probing. Learning how to formalize the process of discovery and put it into practice is the hope of this program. The aims are simple: to perfect a vocabulary of inquiry, to master the fundamentals of study design, and most importantly, to help each individual participant develop a scholarly narrative arc. No single path works for all individuals, but a common language and a mastery of the fundamentals are needed to define one's place in the world of academia and affect profound change. So this program is meant for anyone who seeks to begin, refine, or maintain a meaningful and lifelong engagement with the process of scientific inquiry, whether independently or through other institutions and programs. This is not a standalone program. It is meant to complement and amplify our daily experience. It is hoped participants come to realize their engagement with the process of inquiry should be the same inside and outside of the conference room where we hold our regular meetings. So why this new program in this unconventional format? Well, as most of us now realize, the demands on our time make it nearly impossible for all of us to meet regularly. Shifts, North Shore clinic time, lecture responsibilities, and vacations make it challenging to get our entire group together on a regular basis for a formal didactic series. The experience among interested participants also varies. Some will come to this program already equipped with a master's or a PhD or even previous fellowship training, whereas others will come to this program without ever completing a formal study from beginning to end. So each individual's journey to meet the goals of this program will naturally vary. Resources are also a challenge in any system. In some cases, there are too many options to choose from. In other cases, important resources can be prohibitively expensive or simply not available. And sometimes timing makes the right resource available at the wrong time. And finally, the needs of each individual vary. Individual long-term personal and professional goals vary, and how one learns material also varies. So this program is designed to be learner-centered to maximize benefit to each individual participant. It will be flexible, accessible at any hour, repeatable without limit, and the entire program is designed to be taken anywhere in the world and portable enough to fit in one's pocket. Lectures can be dry and books can be even drier. And sometimes small group didactic sessions, folks can be too shy or too intimidated to ask questions they perceive are too basic or about information they should have learned previously. So our small group research meetings will instead be work-in-progress sessions rather than didactic sessions. That way, those who could not attend a research meeting will have the benefit of continued access to the essential learning material of this program, and the research meetings will be more efficiently used for focused attention and discussion of projects that need to move forward. So how will mastery of the fundamentals be achieved? Through a multimodal experience. This program design includes seminars, readings, exercises, and a toolbox. Podcast seminars will serve as an organizing feature and a modular roadmap to highlight important fundamentals. I like to think of these seminars in terms of a chalk talk on a blackboard. They will emphasize basic concepts, they will be short, and they will be focused. Some will seem incredibly simple, whereas others might seem a bit more complex. The purpose of these seminars is to help all participants master simple study design and master vocabulary. We cannot move beyond the basics unless our foundation is solid and the fundamentals are mastered. And besides, some of the most profound and important studies have been the simplest ones. Complex does not necessarily mean more profound. These seminars can be done in any order to meet your own needs, repeated if necessary, and they can be shared. For instance, if you're reviewing a case control study for Journal Club next week, the case control seminar will be a helpful refresher. Or if you've recruited a student partner for a scholarly project, Having that student download selected seminars will enhance their understanding of the project and significantly improve the impact of their collaboration. These seminars can be downloaded to any portable player such as an iPhone, or they can be viewed online. Also, one can view the Chalk Talk slides separately without the audio narrative. See the facts link for more tips on making these individual seminars work best to meet your own needs. The program will also include downloadable readings. These will be a variety of articles from a large assortment of journals and other sources. They may or may not be the best article on a topic, but will be used to illustrate different design issues. Exemplar studies will also be included among our readings, so you'll want to file them away for future reference. Included will be a series of exercises designed to provoke individual engagement with the material, stimulate communal learning, encourage deliberate practice, and discourage regurgitation of rote answers. These exercises are meant to help us think outside of conventional boxes, deepen our engagement with scholarship, and put into practice much of what we already knew coming to this program. And this program will include a resource toolbox to organize familiar resources, supply non-traditional devices, promote scholarly productivity, and facilitate lifelong learning. This program will not duplicate or replace already existing excellent programs such as EMBERS. It will not be comprehensive or all-inclusive because the world around us continues to evolve, and any program that promises to be complete sets itself up for failure. And this program will not enforce a rigid approach. However, this program will deepen engagement, encourage curiosity, facilitate discourse, nurture the imagination, and promote critical thinking. So be prepared to perfect the vocabulary of inquiry and master design fundamentals. Doing so is critically important when defining your own individual scholarly narrative arc. If any questions, comments, or problems along the way, please contact MySIC in person or email anytime. Enjoy the journey.